About 9 years ago, I was going through a very difficult patch in my life. This is before I found this beautiful church family. It was also around the time I started becoming serious about my relationship with God. I started doing this interesting thing of writing letters to God. Every day, I would take a blank piece of paper and I would address it to God. And I would put a date on it. And on that piece of paper, I would write down my anger. I would write down my pain. I would write down my disappointments, my desires. I would write down every vivid thing that I wanted my future to look like also. Now, as the years began to go by, I kept these letters in a box. And whenever I would step into my prayer closet and I was in that time with God, I would grab my letters and I would read them. Because in those letters that I wrote with my own handwriting, I saw the hand of God. I saw how he answered each and every one of my cry. And the ones that were not yet answered, I knew and I saw and I could see the progress in my life. Amen. Now, there is nothing more fulfilling in this world than seeing God's hand at work. So we're going to do a little exercise this morning. I want you to take a paper and a pen. Those that don't have a paper and a pen, you have a phone. Send yourself a text message or get into your notes. There's this thing that you have been crying about for years. Maybe you just begun. I'd like you to write it down. Brother Dotu already gave us a head start. He talked about student loans. Nothing is too great for our God. Amen. Write it. I'm going to give you some time.